doing how to make a coffee with the espresso machine. Now I'm going to do a flat white, 1 sugar. Okay, so first off, I do not have enough coffee. Well, I might, but I need more coffee. So I'm going to show you how to grind it. Got my grinder here. You got your coffee. What you do is you get this. You get this spoon thing. You might have it. If not, just get a flat surface and just a cup about that. Or a spoonful. You get 1 and a half. And you pat it down with the flat bit. That. Put it in. Get a mug. Any mug will be fine, as long as it fits in underneath. Press it. When it starts coming out, you wait about 10 to 15 seconds. So this button's to get the coffee. Press this button and wait for the temperature to get over here. So, and once it gets over here, then you can start to steam it up with this. I'll show you how to steam it up. If you like sugar, you put your sugar in now. Just give it a little stir. Keep the teaspoon. And then you put your hand on it and you wait till it almost burns off your hand. If you look at the froth, if you look at the froth, you put it all the way down just as far as possible and the froth will eventually go away. But if you like froth, then you just keep it across the top. Froth, you put a spoon like this and go like that, and slowly pour. Just go around a bit with if you get up to the froth, right to the brim, and then get the end of your spoon, make a little face, and here's your coffee.